Hey, what's going on, you guys? So for today, I am going to show you how do you use Snapchat for web. So this is going to be easy and straightforward, so let's jump right in. So first, open a web browser on your computer and go to web.snapchat.com. It is going to take you to this login page and you need to log in with your Snapchat account. After this, you are going to be prompted to complete a two-step verification on your phone. Once you're logged in, you can continue your conversations from where you left them on your mobile phone. Also, when you use Snapchat for web, your Bitmoji will appear with a laptop indicating that you are using Snapchat for web. However, to access Snapchat for web, you must be Snapchat Plus subscriber. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.